Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your postal address inside your AdSense account right now. This ensures the PIN goes to the correct mailbox. Once done, note that Google usually sends the first PIN within 2-4 weeks. Do not request a replacement immediately. If your address is wrong, update it and save changes before ordering a new PIN. Also, expect a small white envelope from Google containing a 6-digit numeric code. Keep it safe until you verify. Now go to Payments, find Verify Address and choose Enter PIN. This is where you type the 6-digit number exactly as printed. You must enter digits only. Avoid spaces, dashes, or extra characters because the system expects a strict numeric match. After entering, submit and wait for confirmation on screen. You'll see a success message if it matches. If it fails, double-check the envelope and try again, but be mindful of limited attempts and replacement rules. Once the correct PIN is accepted, AdSense will confirm your address and payment holds will be lifted if that was the only barrier. Make sure to check your payment's threshold and tax info so funds disperse when due. If you never receive the envelope after 4 weeks, request a replacement from the same Verify Address page. Google allows up to 3 replacements. If all attempts fail, gather proof of your mailbox and request an account review or contact support to resolve delivery issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.